Stop throwing away your old wine bottles. That empty vessel isn't trash. It's a prism of tranquility waiting to be claimed. Today, we are moving beyond simple crafts to explore luminous integrity. I'm revealing senior designer secrets to mastering light refraction, turning discarded glass into breathtaking architectural statements. We aren't just recycling. We are performing material alchemy to capture the soul of the sun. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. In our modern lives, we are surrounded by flat, artificial LED screens that tire the eyes and dull the spirit. We hunger for the depth of real, fractured light. If you've been looking for intelligent ways to use your old wine bottles that blend sustainable luxury with atmospheric curation, this masterclass is for you. From cobalt bottle chandeliers to amazing wine bottle sculptures, I'm showing you how to build a radiant sanctuary that reflects your infinite potential. Let's get creative. Glass and luminous integrity. The Cobalt revelation. 1. The Cobalt connection. Biophilic intent. We begin with the psychology of the Cobalt connection. In 2026, we understand that color isn't just an aesthetic. It's a biological trigger. Cobalt blue possesses a specific biophilic intent. It mimics the deepest parts of the ocean and the twilight sky. It is a color that speaks to our evolutionary need for water and vast, open horizons. The first designer secret is understanding how glass density affects mood. Clear glass allows light to pass through unchanged, often feeling cold or clinical. However, cobalt glass acts as a high-end filter for the spectrum. It absorbs those harsh, anxious yellow frequencies, and leaves behind only a soothing, soul-soothing glow. By placing these blue prisms in your sightlines, those areas where your eyes naturally rest when you enter a room, you create an immediate sense of grounding. This is why cobalt has been the hallmark of luxury for centuries. It doesn't just let light pass, it commands it, transforming a chaotic room into a serene, underwater gallery. 2. Material alchemy. The precision cut. The difference between a bottle project and bespoke artistry is the edge. To perform material alchemy, you must respect the architectural skeleton of the glass. Most DIYers fail because they leave the edges jagged, which screams homemade. We want handcrafted. I'm showing you the thermal shock technique for a surgical break. It involves scoring a perfect line, then alternating boiling water and ice-cold water to create a clean, structural fracture. But the real secret, the sand. We use silicon carbide sandpaper to achieve tactile integrity, smoothing the rim until it feels like silk to the touch. When the light hits a perfectly polished edge, it doesn't scatter. It creates a crisp, luminous highlight that signals high-end craftsmanship. We are taking a $0 bottle and giving it the finish of a boutique showroom piece. This precision is what allows the glass to resonate with the rest of your high-end furniture. The Tiered Chandelier, Spatial Integrity. In segment 3, we build the bespoke Cobalt chandelier. This is a masterclass in spatial integrity. Most people hang bottles at a uniform height, which feels static and heavy. As designers, we look for linear rhythm. We want the eye to travel through the piece, not just look at it. By staggering the heights of our Cobalt bottles, we create architectural volume. Notice how the negative space between each blue bottle allows the light to bounce, dance, and breathe. For the mounting, we are using a weathered charcoal wood base. This provides a necessary, visual weight, to contrast the vibrant sapphire glass. This creates compositional continuity. The raw, industrial wood grounding the ethereal, glowing glass. It's a professional-grade installation that turns a boring, flat ceiling into a breathtaking focal point that defines the entire room's energy. 4. Refraction Logic. The vibrant narrative. Light is our medium. The bottle is merely the conductor. To achieve a vibrant narrative, you must master refraction logic. Many people make the mistake of using cool-toned LED bulbs in blue glass, which results in an icy, sterile light that feels like a hospital wing. Instead, we use a warm, 2700K Edison filament. Watch what happens. The warm amber light passing through the cobalt glass transforms the sapphire into a deep, glowing violet. This creates luminous depth that a white bulb simply cannot achieve. This is how we curate a radiant nighttime sanctuary. The light doesn't just illuminate the room, it paints it with color. These are the show-stopping highlights that make your funky junk look like a conscious, artistic choice. You are no longer just lighting a space. You are setting a stage for your life. Five. Wine bottle sculptures. Tactile play. Let's move to amazing wine bottle sculptures. This is where we play with geometric silhouettes. In high-end design, we use multiples to create impact. By stacking bottles of different heights, tints, and textures, we create a tactile play of shadows and light. Think of this as a glass totem. When placed in front of a window, these sculptures act as a privacy screen that doesn't block the light. It celebrates it, casting colored patterns across your floor that change as the sun moves. This is creative DIY at its peak. We are also utilizing the visual echo, matching the deep green of a Bordeaux bottle to the waxy leaves of a nearby indoor palm. This ties the organic and the man-made into a single, cohesive narrative. It tells the viewer that every object in this room was chosen with mindful intent. 6. The glass garden. Eco-artistry. Outdoors, we practice eco-artistry with handmade glass garden decorations. In 2026, luxury is no longer defined by what we buy, but by our mindful stewardship of the earth. By keeping these bottles out of the landfill and turning them into garden borders or sun catchers, we give our landscape a heart. The bottles catch the morning dew and the setting sun, creating a luminous highlight that keeps the garden alive and vibrant even in the dead of winter. It's about maximizing the natural narrative of your outdoor space. Inverting blue and green bottles over copper stakes creates glass tulips that never fade, providing a structural contrast to the soft textures of your hostas and ferns. It's a way to let your garden whisper its beauty, even when the flowers are dormant. Seven. Atmospheric curation, luminous shadows. Nighttime design is about luminous tranquility. In the evening, the sun is gone, and we must create our own atmosphere. By tucking soft, low-voltage lights inside our upcycled glass, we create shadow architecture. See how the blue light filters through the textured glass to cast ripple patterns on the grass and walls? That luminous highlight turns your green paradise into a radiant nighttime sanctuary. This is the ultimate designer secret for creating an evening space for meditation and reflection. It creates a visual quiet that allows the mind to settle. When you surround yourself with the light you created through Material Alchemy, you aren't just sitting in a room. You are sitting inside your own creative triumph. 8 and 9. The reveal, negative space and visual echo. To make recycled look truly high-end, you must master negative space. The biggest mistake beginners make is overcrowding. Don't clutter your surfaces with every bottle you find. Give your bespoke masterpieces room to breathe so they maintain their architectural weight. One stunning cobalt chandelier is more powerful than 10 small ones. And finally, the visual echo. To tie the room together, match the deep blue of your chandelier to a single velvet pillow, a book spine, or a small vase on the far side of the room. This creates compositional continuity, signaling that your material alchemy was not an accident, but a calculated, bespoke design choice. Your soulful sanctuary is now complete. It is a space that doesn't just look good on camera, it feels good to your soul. Before you go and start your next glass metamorphosis, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Every time you rescue a bottle and turn it into art, you're helping the planet and your own soul. If you're ready to try the tiered cascade or thermal shock cutting, tell me in the comments. I want to see your prisms. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your home is a testament to your infinite potential for peace. When we find treasure in the glass, we learn to find beauty in the fractured parts of our own lives. Trust your material alchemy. Create with intent. And build a breathtaking sanctuary that reflects your inner light. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.